On this 58th church anniversary, the Fountain of Praise takes great pleasure in honoring those who give freely of their time, talent, and treasure to ensure that the vision of our church and the activities of our ministries impact our members and community. On behalf of our pastor, Dr. Remus E. Wright, and our co-pastor, Mia K. Wright, we thank you for all you do. We are pleased to announce the 2017 Servant Leader Award recipients. Wanda E. Adams, Women's Worship Arts and Sunday School Ministries. Joanna ALCORN, Worship Arts Ministry. Violet Boateng, Senior Adult Ministry. William Bolton, Care Disciples Ministry. NORA M. BRATCHERWAUX, Senior Adult Ministry. Alexander and Simone Brooks, Sacred Marriage Ministry. Doris V. Brooks, Senior Adult Ministry. CARLA D. Brown, Fresh Start Ministry. Yolanda Burroughs, Senior Adult Ministry. Dr. TUERE COULTER, Wellness Ministry. Bridget Daniels, Redeemed Prison Ministry. Dr. Scott Davenport, Hope Christian Counseling Ministry. DeForest Delford, Hope Christian Counseling Ministry. Mary Earls, Administrative Support Ministry. Wayne FENNELL, Deacon Ministry. Brenda Gibson, Family Support Ministry. Devin Hill, Hands of Praise Sign Language Ministry. Warren Holloway Sr., Brothers in the Gap Ministry. JENNAL HOLTS, The Rock Youth Church. Shantelle Holtz, The Agape Zone Ministry. Muriel Jackson, Cross Children's Praise Dance Ministry. Josette D. JAMMER-MULLIGAN, Hope Christian Counseling Ministry. Dr. Alicia L. Johnson, Praise Productions. Lola F. Johnson, Deaconess Ministry. Lauren R. Jones, Foreign Missions Ministry. Richard Joseph, Brothers in the Gap Ministry. Lavanya Kimani, Worship Arts Ministry. Vicky Maddox, Hospitality Greeters Ministry. Chelsea Manuel, Cross Youth Praise Dance Ministry. Doreen Martin, Connecting Caregivers to Community Support Group. Shirley McDaniel, Senior Adult Ministry. Kelly Hudson McLaurin, Hope Christian Counseling Ministry. Rena Mahia, Yielded Young Adult Ministry. Tanya Yvette Moore, Hospitality Ministry. Akila Nichols, FOP Drill Team. Mercy Ojigo, The Agape Zone Ministry. Tamika Paul, Pastor's Aid Committee. Laverne V. Porter, Sunday School Ministry. Dr. Felicia POWELL-WILLIAMS, Sunday School Ministry. Crystal Rivers, Pastoral Care Ministry. Horace Sherman, Deacon Ministry. Rosemary Sherman, Deaconess Ministry. Gregory A. Simmons, Worship Arts Ministry. Annette G. Simon, Aftermath Compassion Project. Wesley and Sedalia Smith, Marriage Ministry. Adrena L. Stepney, Pastoral Care Ministry. Shirley Tucker, Corporate Prayer and Ministers Ministry. Wilson Tucker, Corporate Prayer Ministry. Latanya D. Walker, Corporate Prayer and Ministers Ministry. Dr. Mary White, The Rock Youth Church. Dorothy Wiley, Senior Adult Ministry. Glenda Williams, Senior Adult Ministry. Bobby Wilmore, Deacon Ministry. LaRon D. Womack, Worship Arts Ministry. Denise Wright, Wellness Ministry. Wanda F. Young, Family Support Ministry. Congratulations to all the 2017 award recipients. Today, we honor you. We recognize members who have served above and beyond all expectations and exemplified the full vision of the Fountain of Praise leadership. We are pleased to announce the 2017 Vision Award recipients. The Full of Praise Drill Team Leaders. The Fountain of Praise Drill Team have a presence beyond our church services, as they're active in national competitions, life celebrations, and in other areas where their ministry is requested. They are nationally recognized with the highest honors by the National Baptist Congress and are excellent representatives of our church when they travel. The Full of Praise leaders, matrons, officers, and cadets have built leaders and strong Christians from this ministry. Today, we salute you as visionary leaders at the Fountain of Praise. Stella Trimble was one of the first African-American members of South Post Oak Baptist Church. She was a dedicated and devoted member who served on the board of directors and numerous ministries in the church. As a political liaison for the Fountain of Praise, Stella Trimble was an ardent advocate and worker in the community. In honor of her legacy and dedication, the Fountain of Praise honors individuals for their contributions to our community. Today, we're pleased to announce the 2017 Stella Trimble Community Service Award recipients. Tommy Thompson, the Open Door Mission. As President and CEO, Tommy Thompson leads the Open Door Mission, a faith and evidence-based recovery and rehabilitation facility. He is committed to the mission of transforming the lives of the most severely addicted, destitute, homeless, and disabled men in our community. Tommy Thompson notes that the Open Door Mission employs a multifaceted mind, body, and spiritual approach with programs of recovery, learning and healing, abuse, poverty, and violence. Today, we applaud the Open Door Mission for providing a nurturing and spiritual community for men who are making the transition from street life and addiction to recovery and self-sufficient living. Karen Gillespie and Klaus Kreuer-Mattson, Cities Changing Diabetes. Cities Changing Diabetes is a global commitment to push for urgent action against diabetes in urban areas. Sponsored by the pharmaceutical giant Novo Nordisk, Karen Gillespie and Klaus Madsen landed in Houston with the task of working with key leaders and organizations to better understand the urban diabetes challenge, globally and locally. As Director of Public Policy for Novo Nordisk, Karen Gillespie leads the Changing Diabetes Policy function at Novo Nordisk and serves as co-chair for the Diabetes Advocacy Alliance and U.S. project lead for Cities Changing Diabetes. She is also responsible for developing and leading research that underpins Novo Nordisk's diabetes advocacy work. As the stakeholder engagement consultant to the Cities Changing Diabetes Houston, Klaus Kreuer-Mattson, MPH, leads this Novo Nordisk initiative with a variety of organizations. Previously, he made his mark in healthcare with over 15 years' experience in developing public health policy and programs that address chronic disease and improve community health. Join us as we applaud this dynamic duo for the tremendous work to improve the health and well-being of the greater Houston community. Mayor Sylvester Turner, City of Houston. As mayor of the fourth largest city in the country, Mayor Turner has tackled some of the city's critical issues. Recently, he passed a city budget that contributed to the reduction of a $160 million deficit. In the face of Hurricane Harvey, Mayor Turner demonstrated exceptional leadership to the Houston community. He orchestrated programs to ensure a rapid, quality recovery and position the city to be less vulnerable to the next record-breaking storm. Sylvester Turner has historically served admirably in his role as the people's champion, as noted by his repeated attempts to increase the number of health professionals in underserved African American and Hispanic communities. He was a champion in the Texas legislature for quality education, criminal justice, universal access to health care, consumer protections, and affordable electricity rates for seniors. Today, we celebrate Mayor Sylvester Turner for his legacy of public servanthood and his contributions to the greater Houston community. To all our honorees, thank you for your continued service to our community and ministry.